Hello everybody, you may have seen me. I'm truck driver Linda and truck driver Paul's son Tony. So I can't see to hijack their truck. I kick them to the front seat and I get to hijack their channel.
Hi y'all. Everybody.
This week on the hijacked channel that I get to take control of, we are gonna make one of my favorite simple recipes that I make at home in my slow cooker called salsa chicken. First thing you guys are gonna need here is a slow cooker pot. Your ingredients are, first ingredient, 1.5 cups of salsa. Next ingredient is 1/4 cup of taco seasoning. I gotta tell y'all, this is smelling pretty great already. Just gonna stir it up really good here. Next is 3 chicken breasts. Bam, bingo.
Say that again.
Bam, bingo. Okay, now I'm just gonna stir it more. This is gonna turn out pretty darn doggone tasty, if I may say so myself, y'all.
Okay.
Boy, I'm doing good at taking over this channel. Yay!
Yes, you are.
Mama doesn't know this, but I'm gonna add some jalapeno, cause I'm a jalapeno man. I like my chicken extra on the spicy side. Now I'm just gonna, oh man, I can't wait to try a bite of this chicken salsa. And now you cook on high for 3 to 4 hours and it should be done. Be back 3 or 4 hours to check on this bad boy. I'm gonna use, I got 2 forks here. I'm gonna use them to shred the chicken up here a little bit. We should be about done shredding here, so this bad boy in the slow cooker for 30 more minutes and then we should be all ready to eat.
Hi y'all. I snuck out of the front seat. It's our understanding that Tony made some chicken salsa. He's hijacked our channel.
Proud of it.
So now I'm back here with our son Tony. Now we're gonna see if we can make room for Paul to come back here, and then we're all gonna see how well Tony's chicken salsa tastes.
Truck driver Paul, we know how you like to stuff your face. Get your tail on back here. Come on.
Oh my God.
We've managed to get back here with Tony. We're gonna squeeze in a little bit, see if we can get Paul in the shot.
Oh,
there he is. Tony has made us some chicken salsa. Really easy, it's like 3 ingredients. And then whatever extras you want with your chicken taco. It's like for chicken tacos. So we are adding, what are we adding, Tony? We're adding refried beans.
Yep.
And what?
Refried beans, sour cream, guacomole,
Pico de gallo.
Pico de gallo.
Shredded cheese.
Shredded cheese.
So is me and Dad gonna try it first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You two are my guinea pig.
Mmm. That's pretty good.
Oh my God. Tony, what did you put in this?
Oh, what the heck?
It's so hot. What did you do?
She's about to burn up over here.
I need a lime.
Oh.
Gotcha. That's jalapeno.
He says, gotcha.
Oh.
Oh.
Gotcha.
Gotcha.
Wow.
So Tony is one of those people that ghost peppers are not hot enough for him.
I like my stuff on my food on the extra spicy side.
Yeah, he likes it where it just literally disintegrates your tongue. It's so spicy.
My God, Tony.
Let me take a bite.
Tony's turn. Okay, well,
Nice kick.
I guess if y'all use extra hot salsa and then add jalapeno and then pico de gallo with cilantro and jalapeno in it and guacamole with cilantro and jalapeno in it, you might want to add some lime to cool it down and maybe a little bit more sour cream.
Yeah.
It is good though. I have to say
good.
it's freaking delicious.
It's good, yes. I give it that. It is good.
Goes to show you what cooking skills a blind individual has for doing a hostile YouTube channel takeover.
Hostile YouTube channel takeover. I love it. I'm going to name the video that.
Hostile YouTube channel
takeover. Yes. I think it'll sound better than tongue disintegrating hostile YouTube chicken salsa takeover.
Yeah, that would be a bit much.
Yeah, I don't know if YouTube would even recognize that kind of a title, right?
Probably not.
For 3 ingredients, Tony, that's really, really good. That's really super easy.
Yeah.
That is good.
All right, y'all.
Well, I enjoyed taking over the channel. Give me a thumbs up and just let me know who's the better truck driver cook, my 2 guinea pigs or a blind guy. See you later, folks. Bye, y'all.
Bye-bye. We've got our channel back, but we hope y'all still like us. We hope y'all have enjoyed meeting and cooking with Tony. And we've enjoyed it. We've enjoyed visiting with him. So now it's like really...
Woo!
Like we're sweating, so we got to get the AC going in the truck.
Yeah, we're starting to cook like a bunch of burritos.
Yeah. Bye, y'all. Thanks for
Bye-bye.
watching. Leave Tony a comment. I'll read every one to him. Bye, y'all.